Non-stop hits only. We never stop.
Salute! The sound of Germany, the divine storm in Virgo represent every time, and I mean jump on sound boy dead. Cause we don't play. Inch come this one.
This is your favorite DJ.
DJ Suspect Outer. Red Bull Sound Z.
Flowers in the morning for you, kiss on your cheek, baby. Come and let me make some breakfast for you. You deserve it, my queen. Because you're right. Flowers in the morning for you, kiss on your cheek, baby. Come and let me make some breakfast for you. You deserve it, my queen. Because you're right. You're my type, you're my kind of girl. Your teeth white, your smile bright enough to brighten up this world. To me you're prettier than any supermodel. But your love no boy can't put a value. Because you're right, just my type, you're my kind of girl. Oh, sweeter than the morning view in cherry gardens from one of my houses. So I will come and give to you pretty roses, show you what love is. Anything you want, my dear. And anytime you need me, I'll be there for you. Only for you, girl. You're right, you're my type, you're my kind of girl. Your teeth white, your smile bright enough to brighten up this world. You're prettier than any supermodel. But your love no boy can't put a value. I say you're right, you're my type, you're my kind of girl.
Yo, DJ Suspect.
Yeah, everyone sees that I'm in love from one look upon my face. Wedding done planned, we're already engaged. Just counting down the days. We're in love, girl, so let's show it. Tell it to the world and everybody.
I can hear the sound of Zion train is coming. Have no fear, cause now Rasta children rising. Hope you hear me loud, the message that I'm sending. I can hear the sound of Zion train is coming. Whoa, in the spirit of Marcus Garvey. Yeah, action back, we no need to talk it. No, in the spirit of Malcolm X, when we talk the truth, he done vex. True, them cannot control me. Yeah. Oh, I can hear the sound of Zion train is coming. Have no fear, cause now Rasta children rising. Hope you hear me loud. This message that I'm sending. Oh, I can hear the sound of Zion train is coming. Oh, freedom fighters, let me hear. Gideon soldiers, let me hear. Yeah, cause the mission is the key. Ambition within me, tell them you witness me. Oh, I hear the sound of Zion train is coming. Have no fear, cause now Rasta children rising. Hope you hear me loud. Come back, kill the vote and prove them wrong. I know every youth I got on gunman. Don't give up. Get to youth be strong. The whole of we are star, we are born champion. Live up and prove them wrong. Every ghetto girl get your education. Don't give up. Get to youth be strong. We've got to make the change and lay the foundation. I tell you in the age, come again, Babylon locked in a cage. Want on you in a mental slave. Who know what them put down in a grave, but them can't get you out in a this your time. We no hype, but you proud, not commit no crime. And I know we gonna live it up right. Come make we live up and prove them wrong. I know every youth I got gunman, don't give up. Get a youth, be strong. The whole of we are star, we are born champion. Live up and prove them wrong. Easy get a girl, get your education, don't give up. You'd be strong. We've got to make the change and lay the foundation. Take away for fooling, them ridiculing. We are the stone that the builder refuse. Some talk a lot but never walk in our shoes. And them think it easy if you live how we do. I get we out in a this time. We no hype but we proud, not committing no crime. And I know we gonna live it up right. Come make we live up and prove them wrong. I know every youth I got gunman, don't give up. Get a youth, be strong. The whole of we are star, we are born champion. Live up and prove them wrong. Every get a girl, get your education, don't give up.
Still I know, moment of greatness I come. For me moment of greatness I come. So even though I was born and raised in this slum, me not gonna make that soul lie down. No way, yeah.
DJ Suspect Outer, Red Bull Sound.
So even though I was born and raised in this slum, me not gonna make that soul lie down. From me born it no easy, me have it hard. Would you believe me? For the work hard, me see no for you to suffer them a stand. Simply because Babylon and them system are fraud. People can't keep up just to the rate where them are charged. Them not care for us because them have them credit card. I give thanks and praises that belongs to the Lord.
This is your favorite DJ.
For I know moment of greatness I come. For me moment of greatness I come. So even though I was born and raised in this slum, now me that all lie down. Tell them straight, moment of greatness I come. For me moment of greatness I come. So even though you're born and raised in this slum, don't let that hold you down. Yeah, what the system I treat with so bad, still I not go lose it and mad. Even when all things not great, still want hold the faith and give the praise to the most high God. Tell you not to worry about the things that you no have. Tell you not to watch your no teeth with long bag. Just be mentally strong and make a righteous child. And from your God life, just be glad. I tell you, yeah, moment of greatness I come. For me, moment of greatness I come.
Yeah, me might know I've got a line on me pocket, but me alright. Give thanks for life, me say me alright. Me say me might know I've a million at the bank, but for I and I life, me give thanks. Yeah, me now got a line on me pocket, but me alright. Give thanks for life, me say me alright. Me might know wake with that full bill full, but still no one see no clip low. So most time bless me with life and I will give thanks. In every instant teach me to not complain, yeah. And even when the rent due and the landlord no stop beat off my gate, yes. The trees them bear fruit.
Yo, DJ Suspect.
So I will never worry about new shoes for my feet. So from me of life everything is possible, I know you see. So who me now be a father line on me pocket to be alright. Give thanks for life, me say me alright. Me say me might know have a million at the bank, but for I and I life me give thanks. Yeah, me now father line on me pocket, but me alright. Give thanks for life, me say me alright. Me might know wake with a pocket full of gold, but believe I've got the joy in my soul. Oh, say real happiness from the heart. It comes from within, no love. I'm not a perfect man, I know, cause I would like to have a couple fast cars, but I will never bow to the vanity. I look at it as pure insanity, cause I've got John, I know Jah got me. You see, me now be a father line on me pocket to be alright. Give thanks for life, me say me alright. Yes, we rise, 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 rise. Sister, dry your tears from your eyes. Oh, yes, we rise, 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 rise. Brother, dry your tears from your eyes. Whoa, every day them put you to the test. Show your smile and do your best. People we have so we don't take no less. Put God first to overcome your stress. Salvation is the conquering lion. Him at the shoulder where you feel cry on. We still holding on to what we got. Oh yes, yes we rise, 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 rise. Sister, dry your tears from your eyes. Oh, yes we rise, 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 rise. Brother, dry your tears from your eyes. Whoa, who Jah bless, no man curse. Sing it to the four corners of the earth. Jah is in your heart, not in a church. Righteousness is in yourself from birth. Salvation is the conquering lion. Him on your shoulder where you feel cry on. Keep Jah love forever in your soul. Whoa, yes we rise, 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 rise.
Lion train Riddim. Over Shanti and Yecharan. Oh my God, hear me now, once again, yes. Zion train is coming on your way. Come and join me now. Come make we sing this song. When we the song and jump around with it. We are gonna make you feel irate. And this Riddim Zion train. Pull up on the hand and circle the body. Anytime you hear me so now. How about Shanti this? They jump on the rhythm, come in love the rhythm. Zion train Riddim are the baddest rhythm. Enough respect for the one who play this rhythm. Jump and wine, no know it's feeling now. In a the dance hall now, but it dance me now. Why not do you see me come here the one and true? Enough respect for the one who play the scene. Zion train is coming on your way. Come and join me now. Come make we sing this song. Wine with the song and jump around with it. We are gonna make you feel irate. And this Riddim Zion train. Hold up on the hand and circle the booty. Anytime you hear me so now, jump in your shoes and step on this cage. Hold on to your hand and bring him on this cage. Make him know say this a Zion train Riddim. DJ nature one please, hold up a rhythm. Playing this rhythm make him bust up me brain. How about Shanti, make you stand it again. Oh my baby, make we dance again. Oh child, oh no. Zion train is coming on your way. Come and join me now. Come make we sing this song. When we the song and jump around with it. We are gonna make you feel irate. And this Riddim Zion train.
Killer sound boy, we no care where them from, babe. You don't know what the garrison we from. Sound salute, we are real bad man day. Sound salute, have the plate in our hand. We wanna sound, enjoy life anyhow we can day. Sound salute, make no sound boy run. And sound salute, kill sound boy be fun day. Sound salute, will eat your dinner. And when the war done at the coffin you be not there. You better call the undertaker. Sound salute, we are the maker, yeah. Let me show you which part the border. You can't diss no man from the sound ya know. People dashing at the gutter water. A sound salute, we run the area. Sound salute, reaching dope. Some boy a pop. Them blood a run like water. Galata sound to kill. Head ups in the shatter. Sound salute, ready for slaughter. Sound salute, reaching dope. Some boy a pop. Them blood a run like water. Galads are sound to kill, and dubs in the charter. Sound salute ready for slaughter. Yeah, you know we kill the sound, yeah. Sound salute one murder sound, yeah. Oh, we kill the sound, yeah. Easy, by some men that represent the sound salute every time in me. Sound of Germany.
Yeah, greetings Massive and crew. My name Jordan, taking it from my DJ Suspect. Watch this style, how we are doing music to the spiritual world. How we are born for entertainment.